like drawing? Today I'm going to make a robot that is going to draw better than me. We're going to call it Scribble Duck Bot. We will be using a battery pack, motor, small piece of the glue gun, duct tape, and the alligator clips. We will be using 5 different colors of the markers. It's red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I cut this paper to make it my own beak for Scribble Duck Bot. Now I'm going to attach the googly eyes and the beak. We will be putting alligator clips around Scribble Duck Bot's body, or red Scribble Duck Bot's body, using tape. We will be putting the battery pack using tape back on Scribble Duck Bot's body. It's the back. We will be putting the small piece of the glue gun stick into the motor. We will attach the motor on Scribble Duck Bot's head. Make sure that the motor will not fall into Scribble Duck Bot's head and make it fully attached. We will be attaching the alligator clips into the battery pack. And we will be attaching the alligator clips into the motor. Lastly, we're going to add the felt pens or markers or crayons for Scribble Duck Bot's legs. There are 5 of the crayons markers for the legs. Let's check it out if it works. And it works, guys! Now we're done making the Scribble Bot, and we're going to put all of the paper on the table and see how it works. Guys, let's try this now! It's working, guys, and Scribble Duck Bot is drawing or doodling. Are you enjoying it, guys? I'm enjoying it because he's drawing and doodling. This is so fun, guys. You can try this in your home. This is going to be a perfect art, guys. This is the end product, guys, and I put 2 eyes in the middle. I hope you like my Scribble Duck Bot. Thank you for watching. Stay